Welcome down to Paultons Park, and it is a flying update because Cody and I are just, to be honest, enjoying a family day here at the park, Cody.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
And I've only bought my phone, so I can't flick it to myself. Now first, before we do the update, yes, I'm here. Yes, I've seen it. Yes, I've spoken to him. Someone has finally beaten my ghostly manor.
Yeah.
So I know, by 100 points. I mean, massive congratulations to Jack. I know he's been trying for a while because the staff have been telling me, and I haven't been doing much on it for a while, but it gives me a good excuse now to start re-riding it again. But we are here because, as you can see, the lift hill is pretty much in for Serpents Curse. There is a top piece, and we'll show you the top piece. It is on site waiting to go in, but look at that. We got a stairwell to go in, but other than that, again, this thing just looks massive. Right, we'll get some close-ups. Not a massive update today, but I have a feeling all is going to change again next week across the site. Let me say first, you will see the completed lift hill piece in at the end of the video. We did stop to have a look in the park on the way home, but there's less vehicles on site. So have a quick look over the site from the transfer track here station. We'll pan on that shortly, right the way to the progress they have made since our last video, which really stretches to the top, pretty much at the crest of the lift hill. It looks amazing in person, it really does. Here is the switch track element. As you can see, there's no electrics or anything. We think they will possibly stop now and maybe install these next along with chain and everything, but as you get close in, you can just see there's nothing there. Nothing has been installed on the ride, and there may be a reason why they've carried over the top. We'll see that in a second when we get to the shots at the end, and that's because the supports are of course strapped to hold a bit of integrity because the track kind of holds it with them, and at the moment, as you can see, they're strapped whilst it's being installed. So it might be better for them to actually install these bits of track to hold the integrity rather than kind of leaving it as it is. As we look over to the station, again, no vehicles in the way. You can see how clear it is. You can see the concrete is down. You can see the footers are ready. It can't be too long until this starts to go up as well, and we'll see a structure go over it. It seems like they've chosen to install most of the track in the station before this time, and then, of course, bring out and get the lift hill done. This is where, as we've said before, a lot of the electrics are in for the ride. To be fair, once you're kind of off the top of the lift hill here, you're all on gravity, but look at this. I mean, this is a marvel to look at. The UK's first water coaster here at Paultons Park. Some of the stairwell has been installed as well. Some of it still needs to be installed, and you can see, and we will show you very shortly, there is a track piece, the top piece on site, ready to go up. A quick look at the splashdown area as we pan across views. And this is what it's going to look like coming out of the station, heading into the lift hill. And this is what the lift hill looks like. Honestly, it looks a lot bigger in person, but you can see the straps are very much in place to hold it together whilst the track is installed. Here is the top piece. Again, you'll see it installed shortly, but here is the top piece waiting to go in. This is one of the very first bits we saw arrive on site as well. So that's made its way down now. And of course, we know it's going to be chain, and that will be installed shortly too. A quick pan of the site before we sum up from when we're inside park, and we will take you and show you then what has happened since, again, less than 24 hours. There it is, Serpents Curse. Cody, it's the first time you've seen it. I mean, to be fair, it's the first time I've seen the lift hill go up. Size-wise, what do you think?
It's huge.
Much bigger than expected?
I wouldn't say much bigger.
Oh, okay.
It's bigger than what I thought it would be.
It is bigger, isn't it? So we have the lift hill effectively, and we've got a stairwell, as you can see, waiting to go in, and the top we've just showed you, that will go on. But there is more work that is going to be happening on site. Not sure how quickly the rest of the track will go up, but we will see some changes. We won't be back for a few days, but we had to come and have a look while we were here. To be fair, we're here anyway today, having a family day out. But we've just wandered over, and here is the lift hill. Exciting times here for Serpents Curse at Paultons Park. Here it is. Lift hill and partial part of the first drop are in, using all the supports which are currently there. And as you can see, the straps have been removed. So we do believe this has been done for integrity purposes to kind of keep it a little bit more structurally together. There are still stairs that need to be installed, but actually quite a few of them have been. I'm guessing there'll be another one at the top for maintenance purposes, but look at this. This looks fantastic. This has all happened in the space of 24 hours. Be interesting to see how much further they go with it at the moment, or whether they do stop and do other parts on the site. We haven't gone in today, don't worry, we will be going back in again this week to get you another look, but we had to show you the lift hill from a distance. Yeah, it just looks fantastic.